Alright, now we're on page 3 doing the practice. The table below shows the mark obtained by 40 pupils in a class test. So there are 40 and this is the marks. Okay, now how many of them receives, okay, we need to form a cumulative frequency table. How many of them receive less than 7 marks? Look at the table, nobody. How many of them receive less than 8 marks? Less than 8 means I do not include the number 8. Okay, it's not less than or equal. So less than 8, I need to look at the table here. There are only 4. Less than 9. Okay, so I need to take 4 plus 6. I get 10. Then less than 10 means 9, so I get 10 plus 7. I get 17. Less than 11. 17 plus 10. I get 27. Then after that, 27 plus 5. I get 32. Okay, so I get all these numbers based on what I have in my frequency table. Basically, when you have a cumulative frequency table, you just need to put in a sum. So can you help me to change this? This is actually, okay, cumulative frequency table. Because of the range here, okay, therefore we add them together. Now, part A, how many pupils obtain less than 10 marks? 10 pupils. Calculate the percentage of people who obtain less than 10 marks. So there are 10 pupils out of 40, multiplied by 100%. So total 25% of them obtain less than 10 marks. So therefore, hence, find the percentage of people who obtain 10 marks and above. So I have 100% minus what I have in the previous part, 75%. Now, because of the word hence, I must make use of the answer that I got in the previous part. Okay, let's look at the last page together. The following table shows the height of 35 students in a class. Okay, so this is the height of 35 students. So I have it in a normal frequency table. So you see that this is in a range with upper limit, lower limit given. Next, they want you to write it down in a cumulative frequency. So there is nobody that's less than 139 because our number here is smaller, start from 140. So the next one is 144 equal or less. So there are 5. Fill up the table. Okay, you may pause the video and try to do yourself first, and then you check the answer. Okay, please pause now and finish it. Okay, so I hope you didn't continue the video and just copy the answer. I want you to try it yourself. So the next one here is actually 5 plus the next number, 9. So we just have to add all these numbers in. And I get a total of 35, matching my maximum number there, the total number. Okay, so calculate the percentage of students whose height is less than or equals to 154. If not done this question, please pause and then finish the rest, then you've continued the video, please. Okay, alright, so the percentage of students whose height is less than or equals to 154. So I need to look at the number 154 here. Less than or equals means I include everything before that. So because you see it's very easy to use if it's a cumulative frequency table, I don't need to go and add again because I've already done it. It's already cumulative. So I simply need to put the number 15 because it's already all added up. Divide by the total number. Okay, then after that multiply by 100%. Okay, so what we have here is 42.857%, 5SF, 42.9%. Final answer as 3 significant figure. Okay, so next question, they want you to find the number of students whose height is more than 159. So pay attention to the keyword. Sometimes they use less than, sometimes they use more than. So now they want more than 159. I look at number 159 and more than that. Okay, in other words, if I want more than that, I will take the maximum number 35. Then I need to remove this group here. Okay, I don't want this group because I want something that's more than. So in other words, if I want to calculate more than, I will take number 35 minus away 22 of them. And I get 13 students. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm doing here, because they say more than, so I need to look at the maximum number. There are total 35 of them, and those who don't fit the criteria, okay, there are 22 of them based on my table. So I minus away the number 22, I will get the answer straight away. I don't need to manually go and count one by one. Okay, so calculate the percentage of students whose height is more than 159. I just need to take what I have, 13 out of 35, something that I calculated in the previous part. So 13 divided by 35, I get that this is 37.143%, 5SF, and my final answer is 37.1%. 3 significant figure. Okay, so that'll be all for this worksheet. Okay, thank you very much.